Okay, what is good, gangos? It's Giante here, back with another video. And in this video, I'm giving y'all my sauce, but y'all can use it because my sauce is y'all sauce. All y'all gotta do is make sure y'all subscribe. But here are the 9 most flirty, yet subtle text messages to give her butterflies. Like, she will love these text messages. And I got them right here in my notes, so let's get into it. This video shouldn't even take that long. One is call me. I want to hear your voice. First, girls hate their voice. They're so nervous to talk to us on the phone. But you just being like, call me, not really asking for her to call you, just saying call me. It shows assertiveness, like, we about to get on this phone. And that's how you get out the messages and closer to that link. Second, and you could be guy, girl, whatever. If somebody says this to you, it holds weight and you know it. But it's, I love how comfortable I am around you. Bro, telling somebody they make you comfortable is the ultimate compliment. Like damn, you really fuck with me. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, it's one of them kind of compliments. Like, damn, it show y'all really locked in for real. Okay, now third, if we could go anywhere together, just the two of us, where would you want to go? It's one of those questions to really make her think and then be like, damn, just us two? That would be nice. You know, it starts painting this idea in her head about it just being y'all two together doing stuff. Or it's just as simple as you being like, bro, you're like one of one. Like, you're cool, you'll vibe, you're one of one. Like, there is not and never will be another you. You're one of one. 5, and I use this one all the time. Like, this is one of the ones I use like when I'm sliding on girls or like when we first started talking. I'm like, bro, are you real? And then she gonna be like, what? What you mean by that? And you gotta be like you're just cool and easy to talk to. Like, are you real? Like, you don't seem like a real person. Like, that's just one of them compliments. Okay, now 6. I had a dream about you. I don't care if you didn't have a dream about her. Like, tell her you had a dream and she's gonna ask you and she's gonna bug you and she's gonna want to know what that dream is. And that's where you just gotta be like, I've already said too much. Like, I shouldn't be looking at you in that way. The entire day she's gonna be like, what way? What way? Now 7, and this one is just like on some cool stuff, but you'd be like, the best part of my day is like talking to you. Like, this is what I look forward to the most. Like, work been stressing me out or school been stressing, like something just been stressing you out. The best part of your day is talking to her. And this one is self-explanatory. You're literally saying like, the best thing in my life is you. Okay, now 8. Do you prefer big spoon or little spoon? 1, because it's a good question. Like, a lot of girls like being big spoon. Like, that tells you a lot about like what kind of girl she is. Does she like giving or receiving the affection? And it's just like a funny question. Like, it's a great way to open up the conversation. And lastly, and this is the ultimate flirty text. Like, it does not get better than this text message. I don't care what you say. If you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit it right now. Right now, come on. I'll wait. Then I'll tell you. Come on. Okay, now that you've done that, I can tell you. But you need to find a post, or specifically, a song. It could be the first song y'all ever played when y'all were around each other. Like, it just has to be a very deep and meaningful song, or post, or video. And you have to send it to her and be like, this reminds me of you. This reminded me of you. This made me think of you. This reminds me of us. This is where I want to be with you. Anything like that. You want to make her blush. You want to make her miss you and like want to see you. Do this. I promise. This is free game. And that is all of them. So like I said, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? Like literally, what are you doing? Hit the subscribe button right now and drop other videos you want me to do in the comments. And y'all gonna see me soon, obviously. Peace.